In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone on Tradingview. If your candles, sessions, or alerts look off because they're shown in a different local time than you expect, adjusting the time zone will bring your chart's timestamps in line with your day. I'll walk you through a quick method right on the chart and a settings-based method so you can choose whichever feels more comfortable. First, open your charts. Any active chart will do. You just need to have a symbol loaded so you can see the time axis along the bottom. Once your chart is open, the fastest way to switch time zones is to use the label at the bottom right of the chart. You'll see a small time indicator there, such as UTC or EST. Click that label. A drop-down will appear with a list of locations and time zones. Pick the city or region that matches where you are or the market time you want to follow. You can scroll or use the search bar to find it quickly. As soon as you select your desired location, your chart's timestamps update immediately, no extra confirmation needed. This is especially useful if you are moving between markets and want your time axis to match the session you are analyzing. Tradingview also handles daylight saving adjustments for you, so you don't need to worry about seasonal changes. If you prefer using the settings panel, you can do the same change there. Click the gear icon in the top right to open settings. In the window that appears, go to the Symbol tab, look for the Time Zone drop-down and choose the option that fits your needs. The chart updates as soon as you make the selection, and you can close the window when you are done. Some users like this route because it keeps all preferences in one place and makes it easy to double-check other symbol-related options while you are there. A couple of quick tips to help you stay consistent. If you compare notes with others or follow trading rooms, make sure you are all referencing the same time zone so your entries and key levels line up. Also, if you switch symbols within the same chart, your chosen time zone remains applied, which keeps your workflow steady as you move across markets. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.